Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by popping 12 cups of plain popcorn and immediately remove any hard kernels so nothing ruins the final crunch. Once done, preheat your oven to 120 degrees C, 250 degrees F, and line a baking sheet to receive the caramel-coated corn. While the popcorn cools slightly, measure 1 cup brown sugar, 1/2 cup butter, 1/4 cup corn syrup, and a pinch of salt. This ensures your caramel cooks evenly and reaches the right texture without overcooking. You melt butter and stir in the brown sugar and corn syrup over medium heat so the sugar dissolves uniformly. This prevents grainy caramel. Once the mixture boils, make sure to monitor temperature and cook until it reaches the softball stage, about 115 degrees C, 240 degrees F, which gives a chewy, crunchy coating. After removing from heat, stir in 1 teaspoon vanilla and 1/2 teaspoon baking soda. The soda lightens the caramel for a glossy, airy texture that clings to each kernel. You pour the hot caramel over the popcorn and immediately toss in a large bowl to coat every piece. Even coverage prevents soggy spots. Once combined, spread on the lined baking sheet and bake for 45 minutes at 120 degrees C, stirring every 15 minutes so the caramel sets evenly and becomes crisp rather than sticky. Cool completely before breaking into clusters. If your batch is tacky, reheat at 120 degrees C for 10-15 minutes to drive off excess moisture and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.